Hey guys, I just got DeathAdder Essential by Razer, and this is a quick unboxing and first impression video. You of course get a manual and a Razer sticker for maximum brand loyalty points. The packaging is good considering the price. Talking about the price, the MRP is written around 4.5k rupees, but you can easily get it for 1.5 to 1.3k on Amazon or Flipkart, and even on Blinkit or Zepto if it's there in your city. By the way, this is my 5th mouse that I have bought. Every mouse I have used eventually gets the same scroll wheel issue. It starts jittering and just doesn't work properly anymore. You can try fixing it by opening the mouse and cleaning the scroll wheel housing sensor. It has worked for me only few times, and the issue comes back after a couple of days, so I just get a new one, which lasts me for 6 to 7 months because of my usage. So far I have used Logitech, MSI and SS mouse, and here are the details of the same. It's not that these mouse are bad, it's just that over time every mouse starts to wear out. Coming back to the unboxing, the first impression of the mouse are pretty good. Clean and white with good matte material finish so that it doesn't get dirty quickly, with accents of gloss finish at places. This is my first Razer mouse, white by the way, so let's see how much it lasts. We also get a USB cap, which is really handy because sometimes I just throw the mouse in my bag and it prevents anything going into the USB-A connector. And talking about the clicks are solid, and so is the scroll wheel. The grip area is textured, which kinda helps you to grab the mouse. It gives you a bit more control during longer sessions, and your fingers don't slip around much. Also, this mouse comes with a mechanical switches rated for around 10 million clicks and 6400 dpi optical sensor for accurate tracking. It's set to 1600 dpi by default, but you can customize it through Razer Synapse. The only downside is that changing DPI isn't convenient since there is no dedicated button, unlike some of my previous mouse that I've used. The clean white look with a subtle glow is perfect for modern productivity focused setup with casual gaming on the side. It blends in really well with clean desk aesthetics, especially the all-white setup that I'm building, and keeps the overall look simple and easy on the eyes. Ergonomically, it feels really comfortable in hand as it's made for right-handed use, and you get 5 programmable buttons for added control. But yeah, not the best option if you are left-handed. This is my initial impression, and so far in terms of quality, feel, usage and ergonomic, it feels good and I recommend it for the same reasons. Mice in this range are made consumable for a reason, but if you are looking for a minimal clean mouse that you can use for gaming, this is the one. If you have any questions, write down in the comments and subscribe for more such videos. I share gadgets that I actually use, so you get honest opinions and real world insights. Peace.